how to remove music sticker from the Snapchat story. This is quite easy to do, so let's jump straight into the video. Now, of course, you want to open up the Snapchat application right here in order to upload or make our own Snapchat story. I'll just go ahead and take this quick photo right here. And to proceed, we are then going to choose our own music in order for the method to show right here. Now inside, all you have to do is to go ahead and of course choose your music. Now in this example, I'll just go ahead and choose a random music right here, but basically it works the same for every music in Snapchat. Now let's go ahead and select a random music. And right after, if you want to go ahead and remove a sticker on Snapchat, you can just go ahead and click on the sticker right here, and just below that, a trash icon will appear at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, all you have to do is to drag your sticker into the trash icon right here, and you will be able to remove the sticker from your story. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.